Let's compare the Swiffer Sweeper to the Swiffer Duster. So the Swiffer Sweeper is really designed for cleaning floors. You can see it's got this long handle so you can stand up and you can get down into the floor, you can twist it around and get into all of those surfaces. On the other hand, the Swiffer Duster is actually a handheld device. So you can pick it up, you can take it over and clean surfaces, bookshelves or countertops or whatever you want to do. So that's the biggest difference between them. Handheld versus for the Swiffer Duster versus for cleaning floors with a longer handle for the sweeper. Now the similarities though are that they both use these special removable pads to pick up and lock in dust. You can't use the same pads for each of them. The duster uses its own duster pads, the sweeper uses sweeper pads, but they both work in a very similar way in that you just move them over dust and they will just pick that dust up and lock it in. So both of these are great cleaning tools. Use the Swiffer Sweeper on your floors and use the Swiffer Duster on your higher up surfaces.